Amusement Archive. We're at the Miranda lights. Let's take a look. So this is the Miranda lights. I believe they were on that Christmas light fight show on TV, but they got pretty awesome light setup. It's cool that you can tell when they're on because they have like these lights that shine up in the sky so you can tell from far away if they're on.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting and giggling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. Wonderful time of the year. There'll be much whistle blowing and hearts will be glowing and loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago.
Oh, we got some. Thank you.
Every day is a grind. Them elves working 6-day weeks, no raise inside. Santa only paying cookies when they working out overtime. Gotta make that quarter 10 to it in a 9 to 5. But that ain't right. Let's talk about fairness, elf awareness. This is the elf song, sitting on a shelf song, working with them itty bitty ponytail shoes on. I blame Santa Claus and his North Pole operation. Ain't a good little pig and it came wages. I'm This is the elf song, elf and everyday song. Dancing with the itty bitty pointed toe shoes on. High five Santa Claus and his North Pole operation. Word on the street is the elf's got a raven. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, get on song. Put your hands up for the elves. This is the elf song. Yeah, this is the elf song. This is the elf song. Yeah, this is the elf song. Put your hands up, everyone. Yeah, this is the elf song.
So cool. Check them out. Hope you got a good look at the Miranda lights. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. Got tons of videos, so check the playlist. Find something you're interested in. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.
If you want to skip the line, feel free to park on a side street away from the line and walk up.
Check our Miranda Family Lights Facebook page.